Hello friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem codes that you have for ExpressVPN. So if you have any code that you want to use and redeem, you want to go ahead and head over to expressvpn.com, ensure that you sign into your account. In how to sign in, it's basically easy. You'll have your password, whether it's something that was generated for you or it is something that you also change in the process of creating your account and purchasing a subscription. Then you will have your activation code that you need to also enter. So you need these two things to be able to sign into your account. Now, once you're inside your account or you at the website, you can click your profile and towards the upper right hand side, it will take you in. And if you look towards the lower left hand side, you have redeem code. So if you click in that, you can go ahead and enter whichever 16 alphanumeric code that you have. As you can see, it says redeem your subscription by entering your 16 alphanumeric code. So you'll have something like that. It's something like when you purchase your subscription, you have this really huge 16 character, let's say, activation code. It's the same thing. You enter it here and you'll be able to redeem it. And that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.